Okay, so here's what happens when you get it right. Stroke the back pin till you get a full set. A good full set. Like that, I think. That looks good. Now the pick stuck. Come down the front, you can feel pin 1 is sticking up. Then pin 3, which is sticking up. And get on it. And he opens. That's how it goes when you get it right. Okay guys, so right, now we'll gut it. Very quick gutting. If I can get the screwdriver in. Can't see the screw, actually. Not sure if this screwdriver is big enough. No, it's not. Right, let's hang on a sec. Let's find a bigger screwdriver. Bloody bugger. Okay, here's a bigger screwdriver. Right. Actually, I shouldn't need a bigger screwdriver. Don't actually know. Oh, it is turning. Wasn't sure if it was turning. Right, there we go. Yeah, standard American sort of keyway. American doodah, I should say. I should lock this. I've got the keys on, so yeah, let's lock this up. Works nicely. See if we can get the clip off, which I normally struggle to do with these. Very small. I haven't got my glasses on. This one seems to be coming off quite easily though. There we go. Turn him. I'll keep him like that. Get me follower. Hang on. Got it upside down. Right, there's pin 1. There we go. Okay, so it was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a 6 pin. And looking at that, pin 3 and pin 6 are very close to the shear line. Pin 1 is a steel and is serrated. 2 is serrated. I imagine these will all be serrated. Well, maybe 1 or 2 might be standard, I guess. Pin 3 is serrated. Pin 4 serrated. 2 serrations on each one so far. Another 2 serrations on pin 5, and pin 6 is also serrated. Alright, let's have a look at the drivers. Pin 1 is a standard steel. I really should have put my glasses on. Pin 2, spool. Imagine these would be a lot of spools in here, normally are. Pin 3 is a spool. Four is that a spool? I can't bloody see. Yeah, it's a spool. 4 is a spool. Can't see pin 5. Hang on. 5 is a spool again. And the last one is also a spool. Yeah, it's a pretty standard sort of your American type sort of keyway with steels at the front for anti-pin, and then serrated key pins, and pretty much all spools, one standard, the rest spools. There you go guys, that was the Kryptonite. Series number is 351139. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you later. Bye.